It gives your skin a beautiful glow from within look. It's the perfect look for a day at the beach. Just look how beautifully my skin is glowing.
Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I hope you are all having a wonderful day. Now that my kids are on summer vacation, what we do is we do a lot of day trips and we go to like the spray park and the water park, or we'll go to a local lake, we'll go to the beach. So today I thought I would share with you what my beach day makeup routine is. Now, before we get into today's video, if you have not done so already, I do welcome you to join us here on my channel by clicking that subscribe button and notification bell. Now, without further ado, let's get into the makeup routine.
So I brought you guys in closer, and I'm going to start off with prepping my skin with Proactive T-Zone Oil Control. It's a lightweight moisturizer that actually mattifies your skin for up to 8 hours by absorbing excess oil and reducing the size of your pores. I am so happy that I discovered this product because I no longer struggle with my oily T-zone. Next, I apply my sunscreen, which is the Avon's new Hydrofusion Daily Beauty Defense with SPF 50. This is a staple in my routine that I apply every day, even if I'm not wearing makeup. I love that it feels more like a moisturizer rather than a sunscreen. It glides on the skin so smoothly, it quickly gets absorbed into your skin, and it doesn't leave a white cast. It also contains antioxidants, which are going to help protect your skin from free radical damage, which can cause wrinkles, dark spots, and other signs of aging. I apply the VDL Lumilayer Rosy Perfect Primer next. I love wearing this on its own. It's designed to even out skin tone and blur pores, which is all I really want because I won't be wearing any foundation today. It gives your skin a beautiful glow from within look with its tone-up capsules and rosy fine pearls. It's the perfect look for a day at the beach. Just look how beautifully my skin is glowing. Now onto brows. Today I used Benefit's Gimme Brow Gel in shade 4. I love using this on days where I'm doing a quick or simple look. I just brush it through my brows and it gives me my natural brow look. I just love that. On top of that, it is water resistant, so I'm not going to have to worry about my brows at all today. To brighten my under eyes, I'm going to use Fenty Bright Fix Eye Brightener in Melon. I love using this on days where I am doing a more natural look. It provides just the right amount of coverage while brightening to give me a fresh, I got enough sleep the night before look. What I love is that because it's hydrating and so lightweight, it doesn't settle into my fine lines or crease, so I don't need to apply powder and I don't have to worry about it at all throughout the day. Next, I use e.l.f.'s Brightening Under Eye Concealer in Fair 10C to highlight my face. I love using this with the Fenty concealer. I go into more detail on why I use these in my June favorites video, which I will have linked below for you. Just like the Fenty one, this is lightweight and hydrating. However, this one actually contains hyaluronic acid. The brush applicator makes it so easy to apply exactly where you want to brighten and highlight. For my eyes, I'm only going to use Avon's Wash Off Waterproof Mascara. This is by far the best waterproof mascara that I've ever used. It literally stays in place all day. I figured this out one day when I was working in yard and I had this on. I was drenching in sweat and continually wiping my face to get the sweat off. I was just in shock that it didn't smudge or flake. It stayed in place throughout the whole day. Best of all, it easily came off at the end of the night with my eye makeup remover. It applies really black and it does give some volume and length to your lashes. This is the only thing I will wear when I know it's going to be either a super hot day or if I'm going to be near water. So this is a perfect mascara for the beach. Now let's add some color with the Urban Decay Stay Naked Threesome Palette in Naked. It comes with a bronzer, highlighter, and blush. I'm usually not a face palette user because I normally don't like all the shades in the palette, but this one I'm literally obsessed with all three. I'm first going to apply the bronzer. The formula is creamy, yet it's a powder, so it just glides on the skin so smoothly. Now this is a matte finish, so I'm going to go in with the L'Oreal Lumi Bronzer in 02 Medium. I focused this just in the cheek area to give more definition and a bit of glow, and then I lightly apply it to the temples to add a little glow there. This too is creamy, so it glides on the skin so smoothly. I now go back into the Urban Decay Threesome palette and apply the blush and highlight. These two are creamy and lightweight. On top of that, they are designed to last up to 14 hours. Plus, they are infused with moringa seed oil, which consists of antioxidants and anti-pollution properties. Now I'm going to lock everything into place with my Urban Decay Oil-Free All-Nighter Setting Spray. This is great for those with oily or combination skin, or even those who sweat a lot on your face. It has temperature control technology that reduces the temperature of your makeup so it doesn't smudge, slide, or fade away. Next, I use Milani Fruit Fetish Lip Balm in Dragon Fruit Peach. This is actually the first time I used this, and I really liked it. It gives a pinky tint to the lips, and it's very hydrating. It's also very yummy. Now, I will say here, I normally use and recommend a lip balm with SPF, but I once again keep forgetting to pick one up. Now, to help give my body a nice glowy bronze look, I'm going to use Eloise Get Gleaming Body Illuminator. Just look at that beautiful glow. Oh, I'm so obsessed. Here is my final look.
Okay, before I end the video, I do want to let you know two products that I will be taking with me when I go to the beach or pool day or any time I'm going to be out and about in the sun. And that is these two products right here.
So the first one is Milani Make It Last Sunscreen Setting Spray with SPF 30. Experts say that it's best to apply sunscreen every 2 hours. I have been loving just spritzing this on and giving my skin the boost of protection as well as give my makeup a boost. I also keep with me my Avon Magic's Blur Oil Control Primer Balm. I'll just grab the sponge that comes with it and tap it into the areas of my skin that are becoming very oily. This applies clear and it's super lightweight, so you don't have to worry about it interfering with your makeup.
Well, that is it for today. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If so, you can let me know by clicking that like button. I would love to hear in the comments down below if you're planning on going to the beach this summer. If so, what products, if any, do you wear on your beach days? And of course, as always, I do welcome you to join us here on my channel if you have not done so already by clicking that subscribe button and notification bell. That way you're notified each time I upload a new video. And as always, if there is a topic or tutorial or even a product that you would like me to review, do let me know in the comments down below. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. Until next time, remember, be kind to yourself and to others. Bye.